Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mike from Mike's Garage Door. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm replacing this old bad boy, Allister door control systems. This is a Type 2A. You put these in and they just last. The reason why we're taking it out is because there's no photo eyes down here and the owner of the home is putting the house on the market. And you can't get a garage door opener past a home inspector unless you got safety eyes. So we're sticking in good old faithful bulldozer, 8365, one-piece T-rail. I'll give you a running so you could just see the before and after. Old school bell buzzer. Fast unit. Low headroom track. Quite a bit of rust here. It'll loop this door up, make sure it runs great. I'll check back. Get that off of there.